What in the camera? Boy. Good morning, everyone. It is 6:30, probably like 6:32. I'm about to wake the kids up. Y'all look in the kitchen. They is in there getting ready to go to work. I have to take all of that that red and black stuff off and that black thing right there off. I gotta take all that away because I'm doing the kitchen over. That's what I didn't get. I gotta get the I need to get floor mats.
I'll call you on my break, my lunch.
Okay. Love you too.
Woo, it's cold.
I felt that air. You're gonna have to have the kids bundle up because it's cold out there. Look at my babies. Mama. I tell this girl every day to wrap her hair up and she don't never do it. Mama. Wake up, Mama. Jaxis.
Not you saying I tell this girl every day to wrap her hair.
And you never do. Grand Rising. Grand Rising. You always gotta act crazy when you wake up. Like you wasn't just asleep. Grand Rising, Mama. No. Oh, okay. And pick out your clothes for school. Oh, what you mean you have your clothes? You know what? This girl got her clothes out already. She said, I'm gonna wear my new outfit. Let's go brush your teeth, wash your face. If y'all hurry up, y'all have time to eat breakfast. Look at her, y'all. I took the pillows off the couch because I was looking for my other memory card, but she got her whole new outfit, y'all. And we got my son right here. He got on his new stuff too. Okay, sir. Well, he got on his new pants, but not y'all. Guys, so we are at the bus stop waiting for the school bus. Hopefully it don't take an hour and then the kids be coming back upstairs in a few minutes. Cause this is just crazy that it be taking this bus this long. Hi, Mama. Hello. Pretty girl.
Oh, it's a big fat mystery.
That's it.
Whoa, whoa.
Girl, ain't nothing a mystery about you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's a big fat mystery.
Aggravated.
No, that's just his coat. It's a big fat mystery.
Oh, you say his coat is a big fat mystery.
Whoa, whoa,
it is.
whoa.
Because nobody knows where it's at. Okay, you guys. So, ooh, skin looking good. But the bus never came. It's 8:15. So my friend is actually going to bring them to school today. Jordan came in here and took off all her clothes. Even though... But, I mean, it's not her fault. She didn't know that she was still going. They definitely getting up out of here. And if you want to eat, you better hurry up and come in here and eat while we waiting for her. I'm gonna eat me some cereal myself because I'm hungry. I'm going back to the gym today. I keep starting and stopping. But as long as I don't completely give up, I think I'm fine. I just got off, you know, my menstrual like 2 days ago. So I know I got a full month before it comes back. So I'm gonna see what kind of results I can get in by being consistent in doing that, you know. Yeah, this Elf on the Shelf cereal is so good. That's like my 5th box that I brought. Don't buy the blue one though. The blue one nasty. It is 9:45. I'm on my 15-minute break. So I'm gonna change my clothes because like I told y'all earlier, your girl is about to get back in the gym because you know the holidays is coming up and we got like a lot of stuff going on, and I want to start feeling like myself. I told y'all the other day that I was doing like a lot of dancing around the house and just moving around, getting my blood flowing, and it just felt so freaking good. So I'm about to take this coat off and put on some workout clothes, because that's normally what gets me to go to the gym. If I have my workout clothes already on, when I clock out and get off work, then I'll be able to just get up and just go. All right, you guys, so I finally changed my clothes. Oh, I need to clean that mirror. But I changed my clothes. I need to shave today too. Look at my underarms, y'all. It's the hair for me. I see I got a little pudge going on in the front, you know. But gotta get that to go. Oh, let me show y'all what I bought. So my hair is just starting to get way too freaking long. So I bought this. Where'd it go? Did I put it? Oh, okay, look. I don't know if I showed y'all already, but I had seen this blow dryer brush on YouTube. So I purchased this. It was $35. It was like $38 after taxes at Burlington. So I brought this. They do got one that looked kind of like a paddle. And then they had this one that's like a circular brush. So I'm gonna try this one. Hopefully I like it. If not, then I might just try the other one. Tree is out here treeing. Okay, the tree is treeing. You can't really tell how cute it is right now as much because it's daylight.
It's a bad man thing, yeah, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah, nah, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, yeah, wine I'm free. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, yeah, wine I'm free.
Your girl is, where my shoes? Oh, your girl is about to go check the mail. I highly doubt anything is actually in there. Actually, should I even be going to check it? Because I don't know, I just feel like something's, I feel like I probably don't have anything in there yet. I was gonna say delivered and hold up. Something ain't right. I wonder if it's at the office. Okay, you guys, so I was right. My stuff was at the office. I really don't want to be holding my phone and this stuff and the camera, so I will show y'all what I got when I get back from when I get back in the house. I'm back, and let me show y'all what I got. As the stuff keeps coming in, I'm just gonna keep showing y'all. But look at these napkin holders, y'all. They are so freaking cute. Through the YouTube hand. Aren't those cute? It literally looks just like our Christmas tree. And it came with 6 of them. And I think I paid maybe like $10 for them. I got 6. And they were $12.99. It does come with 6 napkin holders to match the plates. Let's see what these chargers look like. Whoa, do y'all see that? That is pretty. They look way better than the ones that I got from Dollar Tree. Oh, do I even want to? Do I want to use these ones? No. You know what? I'm gonna hold on to these because I did say that I wanted to do either my living room or my kitchen, like gold, white, and like that tan beige color. So when we move, so I think that I'm just going to leave these in the box and just use the other ones. I don't know, you guys, like it's just gonna look so freaking cute. So we just got food. Me and Bae went to Moe's. I think I'm gonna take the kids there Sunday because they do like Mexican food. And the kids right here got them Sonic. We stopped by Palmetto Subs and got a sandwich.
Yeah, now I know what I'm saying, everybody.
Let's see what it looks like. Hi, it look good though. It looks good. Let's try it. Let's see. It looks good.
Why I had a crazy thought in my head just now.
What?
Did I take the... There's too many games to play. See?
It is good though. It tastes fresh.
Yeah. I want to heat it up, soften the bread a little more, but other than that, it's good.
All right, y'all. So after that sandwich, well, we went to Moe's first, but we just wanted to try that Palmetto place because we see it all the time, but we never actually try it. But I got this. Let me put the camera up so y'all can see the goodness. I got this quesadilla right here, and it's looking so delicious. And you know, they always sit it on top of tortillas. As a matter of fact, let me take it out here so y'all can see. Ooh, baby.
I got
that good stuff in there. Okay. Let's try it while it's falling apart. Alright, y'all, let me eat this food. I'll see y'all in a minute. Let's see what they look like. I really don't even want to take them all, but this is the first one. Second one, which I'm probably not even gonna put this one on a pillow because, as y'all seen, I only have 3. There's this one, and then there's this one with the tree that says Merry Christmas. So, but I've been literally doing double shifts every day the last 4 days, so I'm about to do like a really deep needed personal shower, nighttime, relaxing routine. And nobody better not me because I don't fit everybody. Alright, you guys, so that is the end of this video. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'm about to go to sleep. And I will see y'all in the next video.